Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be watching Doctor Who Season 3 Episode 12. And I believe this is the second to the last episode of this season. And the Master. So there's another Time Lord and he is called the Master and he stole the TAR.D.I.s. And yeah, that is insane. And you guys told me that the Master is a classic Doctor Who villain. So that's really interesting, that it made a comeback in this episode or last episode, and I really don't know what's about to happen next. I am just really excited for this and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this reaction. If you do, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel for more Doctor Who reactions. Full version of this is in my Patreon, as well as the early access of the next 2 or more episodes of the finale. If you want to watch the finale right away and the next Doctor Who reactions, you can head into my page. Links of that is in the description below. And yeah, you know what, let's just jump right into this one. Let's watch this. Here we go. Oh.
Time travel out of capsule, that's a killer.
What?
Still, at least we made it. Earth, 21st century by the looks of it. Talk about.
Okay, so they're back. They're back. I thought they're gonna be trapped in that time. They're there at the end of the universe. So, what did they use again to travel? The doctor said time travel without a capsule. Oh, he's
That's because you didn't have me.
they used his watch. He fixed it with the screwdriver.
Moral is, if you're
Nice.
the end of the you changed his face, voice, body, everything. New man.
New man.
Then how are we going to find him?
Is that a Morse code? Oh, the sound of drums.
The moment I see
That's the title of this episode.
Time Lords always do.
But hold on. If he could be anyone, we missed the election.
Or maybe he's Saxon. That's his name. Maybe it's him. That is why Martha recognized his voice. Oh, and that's the name that I'm trying to remember last episode. Saxon. It's him.
I knew that voice. When he spoke inside the TARDIS, I heard that voice hundreds of times. I've seen him. We all have. That was the voice of Harold Saxon.
That's him. He's Prime Minister.
What?
Prime Minister of Great Britain.
Yeah.
The Master and his wife.
This country has been sick. This country needs healing. This country needs medicine.
Saxon is your man.
But what this country really needs right now is a doctor.
This is your reward.
Oh, he's gonna kill them?
Prime Minister, do you mind my asking, what is that?
A gas mask.
It's a gas mask. Yes, but
Because he's
Why are you
killing you. He's gonna poison all of you.
I'm sorry.
Because of the gas.
What gas?
That gas. Wait for it. Oh my god. This is not good. He just killed all of his cabinet members. It is insane. Oh my god. That's the sound of drums. Oh.
You got computer, laptop, anything?
He's mesmerized the entire world.
I think perhaps you should leave now.
18 months ago, he became real.
Oh, just 18 months
His
ago.
first honest-to-God appearance.
That's a year and a
After
half.
the downfall of Harriet Jones.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I was about to say that. They actually replaced her. Harriet Jones.
They launched the Archangel Network.
The Archangel Network.
Even now, they've said that the cabinet's gone into seclusion. What does that mean? Seclusion?
How should I know?
I thought at first she's just, you know, a rude reporter or something, but she actually up to something.
I am begging you.
I made my choice.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Better or for worse. Isn't that right, Harry?
Oh!
My faithful companion.
Oh, my faithful companion.
Prime Minister.
Oh, you're dead.
Harold Saxon doesn't exist.
Then tell me,
Who are you?
who are you?
I'm the master.
I'm the master.
And these...
Whoa! Whoa! What are those?
I'm sorry.
So those are like his fight. Oh! Oh!
Silly lady. Dead lady.
Oh, that's gonna be messy down there. What? What are they gonna... What are they...
Harry, she knew everything. You promised.
What are those things though? And I can't imagine what have they done to the lady. I mean, I think they're shredding him right now. Oh my god.
When he was stealing the TAR.D.i.s, the only thing I could do was fuse the coordinates. I locked them permanently.
That's why he knows.
Travel between the year 100 trillion and the last place the TAR.D.i.s landed, which is right here, right
That's
now.
why he knows he's here.
But a little leeway?
Wow, 18 months?
You're right.
Tops.
Eden.
Most he could have been here is 18 months. So how's he managed all this?
Before I even met you, and I liked him.
Me too.
Why do you say that? What was his policy? What did he stand for?
I don't know, he always sounded good. Like you could trust him.
Mm.
Just nice. He spoke about...
The drums. Son of drums.
I really remember, but it was good.
What is happening? Does he like...
Just the sound of his voice.
What's that? What? That tapping, that rhythm, what are you doing?
I don't know, it's nothing, it's just... I don't know.
Oh, because it's got a TV station, right? The Archangel station. It's like a sound wave, or it's some kind of a brain wave or something that's hypnotizing people, making people like him. You know? I don't know. It's in the broadcast or something.
I have been contacted. A message for humanity from beyond the stars.
People
Oh.
of the earth, we
It's just his
come in
friends.
peace. We bring great gifts. We bring technology and wisdom and protection.
They're called the Toclophane.
What?
And tomorrow
He made it
morning,
up.
they
Even
will
the
appear,
doctor don't
not
know
in
about it.
secret, but to all of you. Tomorrow, we take our place in the universe. Every man, woman, and child. Every teacher, and chemist, and lorry driver, and farmer. I don't know, every medical student.
He knows they're watching. Oh!
All right. Hi, yeah, hi. Martha?
Is there someone else there?
Yes! Just run! That's me!
Oh! Yeah, it's a trap. Oh, yeah, it's her family. She gonna have to help them. Oh my god.
Arthur! Get out of here! Get out! Target identified.
Arthur, reverse.
Take aim.
Oh, damn, they're just actually just shooting them with guns. They're not taking any chances.
Take them away.
Oh my god. My heart's just beating so fast. This is just intense.
Shut up.
On my life, you've got to trust me. Go to Boxer. Stay with him. Don't tell anyone. Just hide.
Oh,
Ooh, a nice little game of hide and seek.
he's listening.
You, Martha.
He's just topping every.
Been a long time since we saw each other. Must be what?
Man, he's so powerful.
Trillion years?
He's got a hold of the technology or something. He's just.
I'm here.
I'm here.
Doctor.
Master.
Oh, that gave me chills. His reaction, hearing him.
You chose it. Psychiatrist field day.
It's like,
As you chose yours. The man who makes people better.
oh, so they chose their name.
Harmonious as that.
He chose to be a master. He chose to be a doctor.
Prime Minister then.
Oh man, I've got goosebumps everywhere. It's so good.
What did it feel like, though? Two almighty civilizations burning. Oh, tell me, how did that feel?
Stop it!
You must have been like God.
I've been alone ever
I'm
since.
pretty sure it doesn't feel good.
But not anymore. You can stop this right now. We can leave this planet. We can fight across the constellations if that's what you want, but not on Earth.
Too late.
He's got everything he wants here now.
You say that?
The drumming. Can't you hear it?
Oh, he's still hearing the drums.
It never does. Never, ever stops. Inside my head. The drumming.
So something went wrong.
Drumming. You're on telly. You and your little band. Which, by the way, is ticking every
Nation.
box. So, congratulations.
Oh my god.
There you are.
Terrorist.
Oh, and you can tell handsome Jack that I've sent his little gang off on a wild goose chase to the Himalayas, so he won't be getting any help.
Oh, that's why they don't.
Go on, off you go.
Oh, he's just he's got ice everywhere.
Right.
Better start running. Go on.
Oh my god. So he can't contact Torchwood.
He's got control of everything.
Yeah, he's got eyes, ears.
We've got nowhere to go.
Doctor, what do we do?
Run! Doctor!
Run, run.
For your life!
We're on.
We run. Man,
Is the machine ready?
Tomorrow morning. It reaches critical at 8:02 precisely.
We have to escape because it's coming, sir. The darkness, the never-ending darkness.
the darkness.
Terrible, terrible cold. We have to run and run and run.
8 o'clock tomorrow morning.
The same. That's the same from Torchwood. You know about something coming out of the darkness, or it's something's coming. And I thought that was Abaddon. Also, maybe this just it's different, but
Tell your people. The world is waiting.
tell your people the world is waiting. So they're actually an alien species. He didn't just make them or something.
In the mountains of solace and solitude, there stood the citadel of the Time Lords.
Ooh. Oh, we're actually seeing it.
The oldest and most mighty race in the universe.
Oh. Wow.
Looking down on the galaxies below. As a novice, he was taken for initiation. He stood in front of the untempered schism. It's a
Untempered schism.
gap in the fabric of reality, through which can be seen the whole of the vortex. We stood
Whoa.
8 years old.
Maybe that's why he's hearing drums.
Power of time and space, just a child.
Because this happened to him.
Some would be inspired, and some would go mad.
Damn. Oh, that is good. Oh, goosebumps. I've got chills.